The barbell burpee push-up to clean and press is the ultimate total body move that combines a burpee push-up with a barbell clean and press. If you don't have access to an Olympic barbell or it intimidates you, you can start with a smaller, fixed, straight barbell and follow the same form and technique. To get started, load a barbell with weights on the floor, then complete a burpee push-up by bending down to grip the barbell with your hands just outside your legs. Kick both feet back to get into a standard push-up position, then immediately complete a push-up by bending your elbows and lowering your chest towards the bar, then press the bar away from you to get back up to the top of the push-up. Make sure you keep your abs tight to prevent the barbell from rolling away from you. While keeping your hands on the bar, kick both feet back to get into a hip width stance, then roll the barbell to touch your shins and set up to complete a barbell clean and press. While maintaining a strong back, tight abs, and neutral neck, press your feet through the floor to explosively extend your hips and knees to lift the barbell off the floor. Shrug your shoulders as the bar rises to your knees, then extend your body to clean the bar up to your shoulders. Pull your body under the bar as you squat down and catch the bar in the front rack position on your shoulders. Extend your legs to stand up as you simultaneously press the barbell over your head. Then under control, reverse the movement to lower the barbell back to the floor and repeat. Focus on your form by keeping your body tight by firing the appropriate muscles throughout the entire lift. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.